Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of September. And first of all, national news. Tamil Nadu NEET UG MOP UP round registration will begin on September 11. PM Modi remarked on anti-India activities of extremist elements in Canada. India grasped the moment this G22 assert a global leadership role. PM Modi lead G20 leaders to pay tribute to Gandhi at Rajghat. Touch emotionally to pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi, Brazil president. India, our greatest trade partner in South Asia. Turkey President Recep Tayyip Erdogan at G20. Mere renewal of passport, no leverage for accused to travel abroad. Delhi High Court. Nirmala Sitharaman met Chinese counterpart Liu Kun, discussed G20 related issues. PM Modi met Justin Trudeau, discussed full range of India-Canada ties. Largest cooperation project in history, Netanyahu on new economic corridor. Now some international news. Chinese plane made emergency landing in Singapore as engine catch fire. Swiss plane with 111 on board arrived in Spain without baggage, a report said. Global South no longer willing to be lectured. Russia on Delhi consensus. Now some sports news. Football. India, the bronze medal winners in 2019, finished their campaign without a win. Football. No Lionel Messi, no problem as Inter Miami win again. Football. Former USA coach Bruce ARYNA resigned after Major League Soccer investigation. Italy falter, England and Belgium on track for Euro 2024. Coco Gauff defeated Aryna Sabalenka to win a US Open 2023 crown. Business related news. Delhi Declaration G20 leaders endorse safe deployment of digital public infrastructure, responsible use of AI. G20 summit. India set to allow cross-border bill payments via Bharat Bill Pay for NRIs in UK. Finance ministers of India and China held talks on G20 matters at summit. RBI to discontinue incremental cash reserve ratio by October 7 in a phased manner. Science related news. Scientists developed energy source which could allow astronauts to live on the moon. COVID-19 is mutating in deer and many getting it from humans. US study. Supermassive black hole spotted eating sun like star in nearby galaxy. And that's all in news. Thank you.